Hello, friends. I miss you guys so much. I can't wait to be back with you guys. Today, we're going to read a story called Leaves Fall Down, Learning About Autumn Leaves by Lisa Bullard, illustrated by Nadine Tekvorian. Hot summer days are gone. The air is cooler now. Winter will be here soon. But first, the trees put on a colorful show. Let's go for a walk. Cool. Let's check out the leaves. Friends, do you see a word on here that looks like our vocabulary word? You do? Me too. What's the word? Yes, cooler. All summer long, leaves soak up sunlight. They are green and tender. Some leaves are still holding onto the branches. This one is still green. The green color comes from chlorophyll. Leaves need sunlight and chlorophyll to make food for the trees. Leaves work hard all summer long. But why do trees lose their leaves? Friends, can you tell me, why do trees lose their leaves? Let's go on to the next page. When fall comes, there is less sunlight. Without as much sunlight, the leaves can't make food. It gets dark early in the evening now. It's dark at dinner time. Friends, what happens in the fall? Yes, there's less sunlight. And without sunlight, the leaves can't make what? Right, they can't make food. The chlorophyll in the leaves disappears. The leaves lose their green color. This one's yellow. It's a birch tree leaf. What happens when the chlorophyll disappears? Yes, the leaves lose their green color. They can turn yellow, red, orange, brown. Bright colors have been hiding under the green. The leaves show their colors. Then they dry up. The yellow color was in these leaves all along, but we couldn't see it. Finally, the leaves fall from the trees. With their leaves gone, the tree's branches are ready for winter. I get it. Leaves fall during fall, right? That's right. We also call this time of year autumn. Who remembered that? Who remembered that we also call fall autumn? I knew you remembered. Over time, the fallen leaves will mix with the soil. The leaves make the soil rich for the trees. Do we have to go home? It's getting late, and tomorrow we need to check out our own leaves. People often rake leaves to keep their yards tidy. Some people put leaves into a compost bin. In spring, they mix the compost with soil to help plants grow. Friends, is this a fun activity to do in the fall? Raking leaves? I think it's only fun when we rake them up and then jump in them, right? Yeah. But before getting rid of all the leaves, people make piles. Then comes the best part of fall. Whee! This is the biggest leaf pile ever. All right, friends, we are finished with this book. I'm going to have you take a test on it today. Then we're going to read it again tomorrow. Not tomorrow. We're going to read it again on Thursday. And then you're going to take the AR quiz. Okay? All right, get to it.